fucking YouTube. Ho ho, fucking ho. So yeah, I just wanted to run a quick video today. I had a couple of questions and statements from guys saying about the weather. They're not going to bother, etc., with cleaning windows in the winter. All power to them, but as you can see, it's frosty out. So I've had a couple of winters now, and you sort of learn to know what works and what doesn't. So pin your ears back, I'll just show you how I managed to defrost the van, etc., or how I managed to keep it sort of above zero so that we can operate cleaning windows. So enjoy. So you guys can see in here, got 1x extension lead, 25 meters, has the safety cutout sort of thing, quite important if that gets too hot. We have a 1x ceramic space heater here, and then what we do is ultimately run that to my garage. Ignore the mess. So ultimately, I've had a couple of people say things like, having a heater in your van overnight is not very safe. A couple of things with that. You're absolutely spot on. If the heater that you have doesn't have an anti-tilt function, or if it doesn't have a temperature regulator in it, so that when it gets to a certain temperature it goes too hot, cuts out, then you've got a problem. But as you can see in here, so if that's got a tilt mechanism in it, and a temperature control, and that has got a temperature cut-off control as well as fuses in there, then so long as you are sensible and you don't have any obstructions, I've got some bits and pieces in here that I've been moving around, etc., but overnight, keep everything away from the heater. Make sure it's, the front and back of it are unobstructed. Make sure that there's no bits and pieces that are going to get sucked into that or damage it, etc., and you should be golden. So I've had that on I've had that on overnight, and the van is above 0 degrees. I'm ready to rock and roll. Surface temperature is about -3, and I've had a bit of a play cleaning windows on my house, etc., on some of the windows and doors over there, and yeah, it's not freezing, etc., on the glass and the frames. So to that end, then I'm going to go out and get a handful of jobs done, and then I've got to take the garage in for a repair on the exhaust system, and then we should be golden. So yeah, like I say, safety first, etc. I wouldn't. Sometimes I've seen people using oil heaters and stuff like that, and fair play to you. If they've got safety features in them, then do as you will. I'd just be very cautious about anything that doesn't have any form of safety features in them. I've seen some heater fans overheat, and they can cause fires, etc., and the last thing you want when all said and done is to set fire to an asset that makes you money. So wrap up warm, even though I am wearing this daft hat, and it is Christmas after all, and yeah, got my shorts out, legs that could stop traffic. You're welcome, by the way. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with my day. I wish you all a stay safe out there, because the roads are slippy as chuff. So go slow, get there, get there when you get there. Better to get there than not, than die trying. So yeah, keep on keeping on, boys and girls. I shall see you in the next video. All the very best.